We are packing up a family in Westlake, Texas today. This is one of our special offerings that we do called a concierge move. That means we take care of everything. The client doesn't lift a finger. From packing to unpacking, dealing with the movers, taking care of everything throughout the week, that's for us. So here are the goals for today. Day one, we're packing everything up. We're getting everything out to the open so the client can see it all, and we're gonna declutter on this end so that when we're unpacking on the other end, we don't have to ask them a question. We're putting everything away and we know exactly what stays. This family does not have a lot of stuff, which is amazing as we're packing because it's minimal, makes our jobs easier. But on the next end, we're gonna be adding beautiful decor, nice labels, and some new product to really take this space to the next level. No one has to put together a cardboard box or use a piece of tape at all. We use Elephant Trunk. It's a local company here. So it's a heavy duty box. Our movers love these as well because it can slide right onto a dolly. You can stack a bunch of things on top and the box isn't gonna collapse underneath it. It closes right up and everything can fit. There's multiple sizes. They even carry wardrobe boxes. This is a wardrobe box. First time using it. A little scary. Try to make sure it's secure in here. I don't really know what I'm doing. And then you just, just something like this. I'm gonna have to Google this. On the last unpack that we did, we actually hired one of our teammates, boys, like her high school boys, to break down boxes because it would have taken us hours and hours. With this company, they drop off the boxes and they pick them up when you're done. So it's a time saver for sure. All right, it's day 2 of this move and the moving trucks are here. We have all of the movers over at the other house, at the old house, and they're packing everything up. And then we have some of our team here, and this is what we're gonna be doing for hours and hours and hours. Cutting liner. The good thing is we have a ton from the old house. And then hopefully by the time we're done here, the movers will be ready to come here with all the new furniture, do the switches they need to do in the home in here, and then we'll start unpacking things. It is unpack day. Everything is off of the trucks and in this house. And so now we get to make it beautiful. We are working with the client to make sure it's what she wants and the look she wants. So we had an idea for a space and we're revamping it a little bit. So I'm gonna go to the Container Store and grab some product because this house is gorgeous. Everything behind a cabinet has to look exactly like the outside. So we're working on that today. The whole team is unpacking every box. The goal today, first focus, is every Elephant Trunk box is gonna be out of this house in a couple of hours so that we can see what we have, start unboxing it, start putting it in the place it needs to go. Today and then tomorrow is the finish up. Add the labels, the finishing touches so that everything looks perfect. Most people, we switch to felt hangers, just like this. She doesn't love the felt hangers, but she still wants something that's not the plastic hangers. So we're changing to the bamboo. Whole closet's gonna be changed. This is gonna be someone's full-time job today. Ooh, about to be busy at the Container Store today. Back with a car full of all the things. The Container Store was amazing and helped me even shop. I just walked in and I was like, I have a list. Can someone please help me? And they did. Thank goodness. So we had a vision and a plan for the pantry and it has changed drastically. But I'm loving where it's at now. We have all the right products, everything is in place. And that's really why I think you hire someone like us. We have the vision for it, but we can also change and make it work for what you're looking for. I think if you're doing it on your own, you start and then halfway through you're frustrated, you don't know what product to buy. And so then you quit, so you have a half-done project. But we can finish it and complete it and make it something that you love and that's functional for your house and for your family. There's been quite a few challenges we didn't expect, which actually happens on every move and every job. So we're problem solving and trying to fix it. We had a smaller team than we had originally planned on having, so that's a challenge, just pure manpower. So we're hiring, obviously. We have had to switch a lot of product back and forth, so a lot of runs to the Container Store. Brayden has been a saint in getting all the things.
So run number probably 5 of 10 more.
10 more.
The best part is, it's raining outside today. Not just raining, tornado warnings, hail, perfect storm, literally. Thankfully we're inside, so everything is inside the house. We just gotta get the product in. Everything's finishing up, but this is always what takes the longest, it seems. Everything seems to be in place, and then all those last minute details are actually what takes the longest. Everything has to have a label on it. Everything has to look perfect and make sense functionally. And then it's just those last little piles. Everything is in a pile somewhere, and everything has to have a home. So that's where we're at right now. So we started on Monday, it's Friday, and this family is completely moved into their home. It's kind of amazing. So on Monday we packed up their entire house. Movers came on Wednesday. On Friday, before dinner, we are completely unpacked and organized in their home. Everything has a place. They can go to sleep tonight in their home and wake up tomorrow and everything is in order and it looks beautiful. Our team worked so hard this week. Everything's done and it looks amazing.